Here is how to create test customers in Stripe, step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm that you are working in sandbox mode. This matters because the customer you create here is meant for testing, not for live transactions. If you are in a live environment by mistake, switch over before you continue so the customer record is created in the correct place. After that, look to the left-hand menu and click Customers. This opens the customer area of your Stripe account, where you can view existing customer records and create a new one. On the Customers page, click Add Customer to open the form for a new customer profile. In the form, begin with the customer's name. Enter the name you want to use for this test profile. This can be any generic name that helps you recognize the customer later while testing different Stripe features. Next, enter the customer's email address if needed. If you want the customer record to include an email for invoice testing, subscription flows, or contact details, add it here. If you do not need an email for the scenario you are testing, you can leave that field as provided in your setup. Then select the preferred language for the customer. This setting can affect how certain customer-facing content appears, so choose a language that matches the testing case you want to run. If you want to include more details, expand the sections available in the form. You may see options such as More Options, Billing Information, Tax Information, Shipping Information, or Invoice Settings. Open any section you need and add the relevant test details. These sections are useful when you want the customer profile to reflect a specific billing setup, tax situation, shipping address, or invoice preference. If your test does not require those details, you can leave those sections untouched. Once the form is filled in, review the customer information before creating the record. Check the name, email address if you added one, language selection, and any extra details you included in the expanded sections. This quick review helps make sure the customer profile matches the test scenario you are preparing. When everything looks right, click Add Customer. Stripe will create the new test customer and save the profile in your sandbox customer list. After the customer is created, open the customer profile. This is the record you will use when testing payments, subscriptions, invoices, and other Stripe features tied to a customer account. Keeping the profile open can also help if you want to confirm the saved details before starting the next part of your testing flow. Your Stripe test customer is now created in sandbox mode and ready to use for payments, subscriptions, invoices, and other testing.